Hi, and welcome to RelSci. Today, we will be going over some of the features of our 360 Alerts tool. It enables you to set customized alerts and view news articles, allowing you to stay up to date on your contacts, your clients, and your prospects. You can turn alerts on to follow any person or organization profiled in our system by clicking the bell or follow button on any given page. You will receive a daily email digest of your news and alerts, and these emails are also customizable. News alerts typically live on your home page. You'll see on the left-hand side which sources you are following, including people, lists, and organizations. Let's quickly look at what one of these alerts looks like. You can see my first alert, which mentions 2 people I have followed, either through a list or as one of my relationships, and their names are listed right here above the article. Now click on the title, and it will bring you to a page where you can view the entire article. Listed directly to the right are the lists that I follow that both Mary and Penny are on, hence why this article is appearing in my alerts. Below these lists, you can see which individuals and organizations are mentioned in the article. All of these blue names are clickable. At the top of the page, you can opt to share this article. If you hit share, a box will pop up with a link that you can now send to anyone with a RelSci account, as well as up to 3 individuals who do not have RelSci access. Right next to the share option, you can hit pass, which will take you to a page illuminating your shortest path to the individuals and organizations mentioned in this article. Now let's go over how to set these alerts. Let's say Melody Hobson is one of my prospects, and I would like to receive an alert every time she is mentioned in the news. There are a few ways you can go about doing this. If you type in Melody's name in the search bar at the top of the page, a drop-down menu will pop up. When you hover over her name in the drop-down menu, a baseball card of information about Melody provides the option to follow her without clicking into her page just by hitting follow. Now let's say you are already on Melody's page. All you have to do is click the follow button right here. You will now receive news alerts whenever she is mentioned in the news. The same goes for any organization. In order to follow a list, go to your List tab in the right-hand toolbar. Click on any given list you would like to follow, and hit the Alerts button at the top of the page. You also have the option to turn these alerts on when creating a list for the first time. In order to manage the entirety of these alerts from a single page, click your name in the top right-hand corner of the page and hit My Alert Settings. This defaults to the Customized Alerts tab, which will allow you to select any given list you would like to follow. In order to do so, simply click on the list and watch it turn yellow. Additionally, you can filter the news that you would like to receive on the list. For example, if you have a list of people that you are only interested when one of them has had a board or employment change, you can hit the Add Filter button, which pops up when you hover over the box. In the topics bar, type in Employment and Board Changes. You can also filter by topics such as bankruptcy, IPOs, or donations and philanthropy. You can also choose to filter by a given industry, a charitable cause, or a keyword. Now that you have chosen a given filter, the only news that will show in your alerts will pertain to these specific topics. Additionally, on this page, you can opt to follow an industry, a charitable cause, or a topic in its entirety. If you click into Email Settings tab at the top of the page, you can decide how frequently you'd like to receive your email digest. Do you want it daily or weekly? You can also pick the format. Do you want one email for each alert source, or would you prefer a combined singular email encompassing all of the lists, people, and organizations you are following? You can also choose the number of headlines that will be included in your digest. Below, you will see all of the given entities you are following that are contributing to your email digest. You can opt to not see certain alerts in your emails, but you'll still be able to see these alerts and articles on your RelSci homepage when you log into your account. Finally, at the bottom of your alert sources on the left-hand side of your home page, you can click the Advanced Search tab and explore the news and alerts based on your own criteria. If you want to see when a certain individual or organization is mentioned, you can simply type in their name. You can also search by industry, by charitable causes, or topics, with any news pertaining to whatever you input populating below. You can also choose a time frame for when these alerts and articles were published, and you can choose to save this search as an alert source. It will now be available on the left-hand toolbar. If you have any questions regarding news and alerts, please feel free to reach out to your account representative or to our client support team, who can be reached by phone, email, or online chat.